This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Thursday, February 13th. I'm Gabrielle Kiefer. The competition is heating up as we wind down the winter sports season, and the boys basketball team picked up a huge win against Norview. Kashawn Tonsall nailed a three-pointer to hold off the top-ranked Pilots 61-59. The girls were not as fortunate, dropping one to the Pilots. Yesterday, the Region 5A Swimming Championship started with diving, and Owen Redfern won his second straight regional title. Now here's Nick Johnson in the control room with upcoming events.
Thanks, Gabby. Today, the swimming teams traveled to Newport News for the second day of the Region 5A Championships. The races start at 10 a.m. Friday gets even busier as the wrestling team participates in the Region 5A tournament, and it will continue through Saturday. Finally, Friday is basketball night as all the Commodore teams host Granby. The boys JV plays at 3:30, followed by the girls at varsity at 5:30. The boys varsity game tips off at 7. Lots of action to see. Back to you, Gabby.
Thanks, Nick. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Now here's an announcement from Commodore News correspondent Lily Bobby.
Thanks, Gabby. While Valentine's Day isn't a school holiday, President's Day is, and students will not be in school on Monday. Enjoy your 3-day weekend.
You're up to date for Thursday, February 13th. I'm Gabrielle Kiefer. Have a great 3-day weekend.
This has been a Commodore News Update.